Updating your corporate address on Ankorstore is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current and accurate. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Ankorstore website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the corporate address you wish to update. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile icon or name. Step 3. Select Business Information. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Business Information or Company Details. Click on this option to access your current corporate address and other related information. Step 4. Update your address. Find the field that contains your current corporate address. Enter the new address details carefully, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Double check for any typos or errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new address, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click this button to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your address has been successfully updated. Make sure to review your account periodically to keep your information up to date. Following these steps will help maintain accurate records on Ankorstore.